I guess I was in Kerala last time, some months back before Ramadan, I was in Kerala.
Okay.
So yeah, it was a great trip. I explored some, places जो मुझे रह गई थी last time क्योंकि मैं 2 बार 3 बार केरला की जा चुका हूँ. So there were some offbeat places. I went there and it was great experience.
But you came to Mumbai from Kashmir this time, yeah?
Yeah.
What's up with Kashmir these days?
Uh, I believe, first there are Kashmiris. I always choose Kashmiris
Yeah.
because, I'm from Kashmir and the people there, obviously, they are very humble. The tradition is different. But again, in a lot of ways, Mumbai is also better and more better than Kashmir. But again, Kashmir has different vibe and Mumbai has different vibe. The life in Kashmir is slow.
Yeah.
The life in Bombay is fast.
Okay. So, yeah, guys, this is Malik Monis,
Hi.
a traveler who has been traveling our country from Kashmir to Kerala. He's been to a lot of places, covering a lot of beautiful places from our beautiful country. And this is Unwrap Sessions, which is powered by KFC Crispy Shawarma Wrap. We are going to talk about unpredictable things and very casual and fun because he happens to be my great friend. We come from same city, and I have seen him grow as a content creator, and he's one of the best travel content creators from our country with more than 2.7 lakh followers on Instagram. And I'm so proud of you, bro. Thank you
Thank
for
you so
being here.
much.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
By you came to Mumbai
Yeah.
knowing that you're gonna do a podcast with me.
Yeah.
So were you excited?
Yes, I was excited. It was my first podcast with a personality, I can say, a Kashmiri personality, Mir Tafazul. I was so excited. I was nervous at the same time because obviously it was my first podcast. But yeah, I know we're going to rock it.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. Uh, what's up with your life lately? Like, what's going on in your personal life, bro?
Uh, a lot of ups and downs were there, but lately we got to know that it's just you and your silly life at the end.
Yeah.
So go on, break the rules, live your life how you want to live. So yeah,
So that's amazing. And can you tell us about your journey? Like, how did you become a travel creator? Like, how did you start your journey, bro?
yeah, I'll tell you. I guess you won't believe it, but it was all accidental. So I was, traveling. I was a traveler from a very young age. I started my travel journey in 2018. But again, I didn't used to post it. But it was snowing in Kashmir one day. It was 1st January 2021. And my brother Malik Abid used to do photography since 2013.
Nice.
And he just casually called me, told me that, hey, where are you? I said, I'm at home, bhai, so raha hu. So he said, get up, jaldi fresh ho ja. So we have to go somewhere. I got fresh and we went to a famous spot in Pampur known as Sempora.
Yeah.
There are some old huts. So we went down to, River Jahlim, thoda sa wahan pe space hai, wahan pe. While my brother was, clicking photos and portraits of some people, I remember the name of that phone. I had Redmi Note 8 and I just clicked a picture. It was snowing and वहाँ पे एक reflection बन रहा था in River Jahlim of trees. I just shot that photo. I showed it to Abid Bhai. I told him, how is it? He said, wow, it's amazing. How did you frame it? I was like, I accidentally took it. He said, post it. It's okay. It's a great photo. So the next day, when I posted that picture, that got very viral in Kashmir. There was a page having 150K followers, and that posted my picture, and that got viral. And that motivated even the same thing motivated me to post again and again. I started as a photographer first, and then I became a content creator.
So, do you think that whatever you chose in your life, you were happy with it? Like, is it good for you?
Yeah, it is good for me because it is not just about traveling. It is about experiencing things, experiencing different cultures, experiencing different traditions, different different lives. Recently, I was in Dras, so I experienced something very incredible. Like it is the second coldest place in the world and the first coldest inhabited place in India.
Yeah.
So it was something, I learned a lot of things from those people. How to live life in minus 37. I was there for at least 9-10 days.
Minus 37.
Yes, bro.
Crazy.
Yeah, so that's how, it's not just about traveling, it's about experiencing things. So we learn a lot of things while traveling. It's not just about books, अगर हमें ज़िंदगी को देखना है और जीना है तो हमें किताबों से बाहर आके रियल में जीना होगा.
बिल्कुल.
So yeah.
See, traveling means that you are far from home and
Yeah.
you are outside, and your family, what do they say about it? Like, do they support you in your traveling?
According to everybody, traveling is just being away from home. But according to me, traveling is being in home. And I myself think that my home is mountains. My home is somewhere जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है, जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सुकून मिल रहा है. So yeah,
Okay, so your parents are supportive.
yeah, very supportive.
That's nice. So can you tell us about the favorite places you have visited, man? Like, which are your favorite places?
My first favorite place is Pampur because I belong to Pampur.
Okay.
So it is the saffron town of India.
Uh-huh.
That's my favorite place in कश्मीर. उसके बाद सबसे फेवरेट प्लेस मेरी अगर वो है कोई तो वो है सोनमर्ग. A lot of beautiful landscapes, mountains, everything. Thajwas Glacier.
ये तो आपने कश्मीर की जगह बता दी भाई. पूरी इंडिया में बता दो आपकी फेवरेट जगह है बाकी.
Okay. And my another favorite place is Kerala, known as God's own country.
Oh yeah.
That's a reason. मतलब वहाँ पे अगर उसको God's own country बोला जाता है तो उसके पीछे reason है. मतलब it's a very beautiful place. I went to Munnar, the landscapes or the tea farms. I mean, just wow, bro. Just wow. I went to Kanyakumari as well. Very beautiful place. I experienced a lot of good things. I didn't understand their language, but I understand their gestures, their actions, how they behave with people. So yeah.
Nice. So, who do you think are other great travelers in our country? Like, you want to give them a shout out or something like that?
Yeah, I believe Akash is there, Akash Malhotra, popularly known as Wander with Sikai. Shivorix is there.
Shivorix.
My brother Malik Abid is there. And some, female creators are there. Brinda Sharma provides great content. Tania Khanijo provides great content. Yeah.
That's nice. Do you look up to any creator, like travel creator?
Yeah, I do.
Who?
He died,
Oh my God.
unfortunately.
Who?
Anune Sood. So
Oh,
he was a
yeah.
great traveler. He died while traveling. So yeah.
That's amazing. That's how you want to die.
Exactly,
A traveler
bro.
wants to die traveling, right?
Yeah, I want to die in mountains, bro.
That's nice. That's
Yeah.
nice. Talking about your personal life, like, bro, like, you're just a young boy, still learning.
Yeah.
But I believe, like, travel takes away a lot of traumas, a lot of stress. Was there anything burdening you that you went away from home and just kept traveling? Like, was there something like a friend to friend, man?
Yeah, there were a lot of things going on in life when I started traveling. There were some relationship failures. There were some people who were there to distract me. So I had to start traveling. I had to choose mountains. At the end of the day, we need peace somewhere. और मुझे वो mountains में मिलता था. So there were some people who were there to distract me, who were there to demotivate me, who were there to demotivate me in my life. So yeah, I chose mountains after a lot of goodbyes.
That's amazing. That's amazing, bro. So, where do you think that that moment came into your life where you felt that, like, कुछ ऐसा हुआ जहाँ पे you realized कि no, traveling is the best thing for me and I'll do it forever? Like, any experience, such bizarre experience?
Yeah, I told you that there were some relatives. See, actually, traveling gives peace to everybody. No matter आपने कब traveling start की है, चाहे आपने आज की है या आज से 5 साल पहले की है, ये आपको उतना ही सुकून देगी जितना आज दे रही है और आज से 5 साल पहले दे रही थी. So I told you I was, going away from things. I wanted to escape the reality. I wanted to escape the matrix. There were a lot of relatives of mine who were there to distract me, who were there to tell my father that he won't do anything in his life because he's not studying. He's a wanderer. ये एक आवारा है जो पहाड़ों में घूम रहा है. इसको पढ़ाई लिखाई पे ध्यान देने को बोलो. मेरे पापा ने ये बहुत सुना है, मेरे फादर साहब ने ये बहुत सुना है कि ही वॉन्ट डू एनी थिंग इन हिज लाइफ, बट हिस्ट्री इज़ देयर. देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु वर टोल्ड द सेम थिंग, बट देन दे डिड एवरी थिंग. आई डेंट डू एनी थिंग, मतलब इतना बड़ा मैंने अभी कुछ किया नहीं है, बट आई प्रॉमिस टू माई फादर एंड टू द होल सोसाइटी जिसने मुझ में बिलीव किया है, आई विल डू समथिंग बिग एंड इनक्रेडिबल इन लाइफ.
That's really a bold
Yeah.
thing. Just like our shawarma rap, bro. That's a crazy, crazy bold thing you have done there. And I hope that, eventually you'll make your parents proud with your
Inshallah.
journey and see, you have been like, a very niche based content creator. Like,
Yeah.
there are a lot of content creators who specifically cater to, larger audiences, like, which is like comedy. There's comedy, there is fashion, there is food and everything, but then travel is something like which always is everyone's wish list, like to travel, and then you help them in knowing that which place is good for you, which not.
True.
And how to travel, where to travel. You are that virtual guides of a lot of youngsters out there, bro.
So
So it was crazy to know all that. Now, leaving all that travel thing aside, man, like you are my friend, and
Yeah.
this is like a Gen Z podcast here. I did all these questions for your fans so that they get to know valuable things about you. But now this is for like my fans. They want spicy things. They want
Okay.
crazy things from you. So, what do you think about today's dating scene? Like how the dating world is going on right now, and what do you think about it?
it is difficult to find somebody supportive, in this generation,
Yeah.
because everyone is cheating, everyone is, dating a lot of guys, a lot of girls. I'm not talking just about boys and girls. So yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have to face, to start something incredible. मतलब अगर हमें कुछ अच्छा करना है तो हमें बुरा भी देखना पड़ेगा. There's no fun of light if there is no darkness. So we have to go through darkness and then see the fun of light.
Yeah.
So that's how life is. That's how my dating life was.
Yeah.
I faced some problems, and because of those problems, she left me. I have still that burden in my heart that why did she do that? But again,
Oh my God, bro. Have you do you believe in second chances? Would you forgive her and something like that?
I have forgiven her a lot of times, but I won't forgive her now.
Okay. That's crazy. That's crazy.
And I believe, okay.
What do you believe?
I believe, एक बुरा चीज़ ख़त्म होने से बहुत सारे अच्छी चीज़ आ जाते हैं ज़िंदगी में. So I'm thankful to her that she cheated me. A lot of good things came in my life. I started traveling. I started knowing myself. I got some good people. I got to know what is wrong, what is right. So I'm thankful to her if she is watching this. Thank you so much for cheating me.
Amazing, Guru. Amazing.
Yeah.
So now, can you trust people easily? Like, can you make new friends or new connections now? Are you
No.
healed to that much?
No. I just want to stay limited to, some people.
Yeah.
I don't want more friends. I believe in small circles.
That's nice.
So I believe, जितना तुम्हारा सर्कल छोटा होगा उतना तुम ज़्यादा सीक्रेट शेयर कर सकते हो और उतना तुम बहुत अच्छा एक्सेल लाइफ में कर सकते हो.
True, bro. True. So, do you know that now in this, in this world right now we are heading towards that, time where people are not, mentally prepared for getting married to someone, like dedicating their whole life to just one person, and it's hard to, really, be attached to someone in today's world where everything is so fast and changing. So will you ever be like, able to find that person with whom you would love to share your whole life, or you just don't want that now?
Yeah, I do want. I want somebody to stay with me because I don't believe in arranged marriage, bro. Either I'll get married by love marriage or I won't get married at all.
Yeah.
Because we definitely want somebody जो हमें understand कर सके. So no matter if I have lost, my love life, no matter if I have lost my relationship in past, but I definitely am trying to get somebody better, somebody who understands me, somebody who supports me in everything. So yeah, I definitely will choose somebody who supports me, and I'll get married to her. And again, there's a question why a lot of people nowadays don't want to get married. Because again, bro, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे हादसे हुए उनके साथ उनकी पीछे वाली लाइफ में. So that's why they don't want to get married.
So you are heartbroken, but you are not hopeless. That's what you say.
No, I'm not hopeless. I was heartbroken. I'm lucky. I told you that I was heartbroken. Luckily, I was heartbroken, bro. क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं होता तो आज मैं वहीं पे अटका हुआ होता. तो तब मेरे लिए वही सब कुछ थी. लेकिन अब मेरे लिए मेरे पेरेंट्स, मेरी दुनिया, मेरा फ्यूचर और मेरी आगे वाली लव लाइफ सब कुछ है.
That's amazing. So what are your what are your goals? What kind of a person you're looking for? What's the
I want somebody who is modest.
modest?
Yeah, who supports me in my traveling journey, because there are a lot of people जो बोलते हैं क्या कर रहे हो, जॉब करो या
कोई
पढ़ाई.
ऐसा जो आपके साथ ट्रैवल करे, है ना?
वही मतलब वो देख रहे हैं किसी को जो जॉब करता हो. बिकॉज नाउ इट इज वी लिव इन a society where everybody is living in orthodox pattern. So everyone wants somebody जो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हो. No one understands content creator क्या होता है. So I want somebody who supports me in my content creation journey and who loves me, obviously.
भाई क्रेजी भाई, मुझे लगता है तू कुछ अमेजिंग पोइट्रीज बोल सकता है अभी. मतलब तेरे को भी मेरे को दुख दिख रहा है तेरे चेहरे पे.
I remember, there was a poetry I some days watched it somewhere. कैसे उसने ये सब कुछ मुझसे छुप कर बदला,
वाह.
चेहरा बदला, रास्ता बदला, बाद में घर बदला. मैं जिसके बारे में ये कहता था लोगों से, मेरा नाम बदल देना अगर वो शख्स बदला.
नहीं, वाह भाई वाह, क्रेजी क्रेजी. एंड कुछ और.
To the hopeless people जो hopeless है, I just want to tell them that उलझे हुए हम सुलझ जाएंगे, एक दिन जिंदगी तुझे हम समझ जाएंगे.
ब्रो आई थिंक तूने बहुत सफर किया है भाई. तेरा बदला लेने का मन नहीं करता?
नहीं भाई, हम दुश्मन को भी अनमोल सजा देते हैं, हाथ उठाते नहीं बस नजरों से गिरा देते हैं.
तू तो भाई खतरनाक निकला भाई. बहुत क्रेजी ब्रो, क्रेजी
Yes,
क्रेजी.
bro.
नाइस ब्रो. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट डू यू थिंक यू आर? तू क्या है, क्या तू भाई?
I guess I'm not able to understand myself as well, but I want to say this that है दफन मुझ में कितनी रौनकें मत पूछ, है दफन मुझ में कितनी रौनकें मत पूछ, हर बार उजड़ के भी जो बसता रहा वो शहर हूँ मैं.
So through all that phase, through all that nightmare of yours,
Yeah.
how did you survive? How did you go through all that, man?
I don't know, somehow I went through all that, but once your mental health gets stable, you realize that how awfully people treated you when you were in need of them. Yeah.
At the end, help किस चीज ने की तुझे just to be happy again?
It was just myself doing my work, wandering here and there. My friends played a very important role. They were all the time with me. They helped me in every phase of my life. At some times, I needed them, and they were there for 6-7 days at my home, continuously with me. So there were some of my friends who played an important role in overcoming all that. And again, there was traveling. I used to travel when I when I used to feel that अब मेरे से सहा नहीं जाता, तो मैं पहाड़ों में चला जाता था.
All right, all right. But now things are about to get dangerously crispy.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Shawarma Rapid Fire.
Thank you.
It's a rapid fire round where I'm gonna ask you a lot of questions, and you have to bring out the wow from the audience and from me as well, and that
Done.
will be our shawarma moment. So this is gonna be a very quick, fast, rapid fire round. Things are about to get very dangerously crispy. So let's begin.
Yeah, bro.
Window seat or aisle?
Sorry?
Window seat or aisle seat?
Window.
Okay, mountains or beaches?
Obviously mountains, bro.
Solo travel or group chaos?
Group chaos.
Phone camera or DSLR?
Mirrorless.
Mirrorless, what's that?
That's a new camera model.
Wow. That's a wow moment there. No. We'll have a lot of wow moments. Okay. Most overrated place you ever been?
Gulmarg in Kashmir.
That's overrated?
Yeah.
Gulmarg is overrated.
Yes, bro.
That's like really sad from your end, bro. Gulmarg is like winter capital of India, man. It's most beautiful place in winters. And
I believe that is overrated. There are, a lot of more beautiful places than that.
Okay, I see. One place you'll go back to anytime, like you'll go back to that place back and back.
Kargil.
Kargil.
Yeah.
That's nice. Worst food experience while traveling?
In Kerala, Sadia.
Damn. A place that surprised you the most?
Dras.
Dras.
Yeah.
Best random stranger story in one line?
Okay, I was stuck in Dras somewhere in, I don't know where it was, but I was stuck. I had nobody there, just me and my brother. Our car was not, going here and there. It was just stuck. And one of the boys came and he told us, just keep it here. Just let's go to our home because we were shivering. Let's go to our home. Let's have food. And yeah, that was the best stranger moment.
That's nice. Ever travel just for content, not for yourself?
Every
I think
time,
you
bro.
only travel for content, man.
Yes, every time.
A video you loved but people ignored?
Yes, there's a video I loved but people ignored. That was recently shot in Tulip Garden in Pulwama because that's an initiative where we don't need to import tulip bulbs in India from Netherlands. That's an initiative where we will export and we will have tulip bulbs for our country as well. But people ignored it.
One thing followers think is easy but isn't.
Creating content?
Creating content isn't easy.
No, it is not.
Oh yeah, your content it's not. Missed flight or lost luggage?
Never.
अगर इन दोनों में से कोई एक ऑप्शन चूज करना हो, फ्लाइट मिस करना या लगेज छोड़ देना, खो देना?
फ्लाइट मिस कर देना.
फ्लाइट मिस करना, लगेज नहीं खोना
नहीं
चाहिए।
भाई.
ठीक है. Weirdest DM you have ever received?
Will you marry me?
That's not weird, man. Like a lot of people, write that to everyone.
Okay.
That's funny actually. Like not weirdest. Weirdest is something like that. I saw you in my dream and you were. पता नहीं क्या. That's something like.
Okay.
Uh,
No, I guess I have never received any kind of DM like that. I have received one of the weirdest DMs, but I guess I won't see it here.
that was something like.
That was something very weird, bro.
Obnoxious.
बहुत खराब था
किसी
भाई.
psycho ने भेजा होगा ना?
हाँ भाई. She was a girl and she sent something absolutely crazy. भाई, I was shocked.
You have to say what was it, man.
Should I say it?
Yeah, man.
She told me that she'll give me money.
Uh-huh.
I just need to go with her.
Wow. There is a wow moment.
Yes, bro.
Powered by KFC Crispy Shawarma Wrap. That is wow. Ever lied about a location for aesthetic?
No, never.
You don't lie.
No.
That's nice. Very good boy. One travel trend you secretly hate.
When creators do like उसके बाद जो होता है वो सक करता है भाई.
Yeah,
I secretly hate it.
crazy. Now this is the last question, and you can give a detailed answer about it. So, a moment during your travel where you just stopped and felt something real, man.
I was traveling. It was my first day in Dras, and I was exploring some places. I was just seeing कि कहाँ पे क्या shoot हो सकता है. And I went to a place जहाँ पे बच्चों ने उस जमे हुए पानी का एक आइस हॉकी स्टेडियम बनाया था. I was so much happy and so much shocked at the same time. I was like, जहाँ पे लोग सोचते हैं कि -40 में ठप होता होगा सब, जिंदगी बंद होती होगी, सब अंदर ही होते होंगे, and these are the kids who made a ground यही -40 का फ़ायदा उठा के, और वो वहाँ पे खेल रहे हैं. I was shocked. I was very happy at the same time.
भाई ये traveling amazing है यार. Traveling में बहुत कुछ सीखता है इंसान. बहुत
It's all about learning.
Now we got shawarma challenge.
Okay.
In this challenge,
Okay.
you will have to hold the shawarma in your one hand, eat it, and at the same time, from your second hand, actually, one hand is occupied with the shawarma and
Yeah.
one hand is free. So
Okay.
we have called it like shawarma one hand challenge. You can do a lot of things with one hand, but here we'll see what you can. But here we'll see what you can do with one hand.
Okay, bro.
So you have 5 options. You got to choose one. First, take a 0.5 selfie with
I can
one
take
hand. Of course, you can take it, but
Yes.
I don't want you to take that. Okay?
Okay.
Open a tight jar or container with one hand.
No.
Open a Pepsi bottle with one hand. Apply lip gloss lipstick with one hand. Pouring water in a glass, one hand. Tie a scarf or tie with one hand.
I'll open a bottle of Pepsi with one hand.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's do that.
Okay.
Bro, but you have to take the shawarma in your hand, bro, because this is what it's all about, man.
Okay, bhai.
Yeah, then we have some crazy challenges for you, but then this is the first challenge. So, can you do the shawarma challenge now, bro?
Yes, I can.
On
There
film.
only. Okay.
भाई ये हो गया भाई.
Opened it, bro.
ये कैसा challenge था भाई?
बहुत easy था.
So now, time for my shawarma challenges.
Okay.
You thought ये challenge था?
हाँ भाई.
ये तूने मेरे लिए पेप्सी खोली, bro.
अब क्या खोलना है?
कुछ नहीं भाई, अब तो अपना दिल खोल.
ठीक है भाई.
सुन भाई, तेरे को मैं आधे सेंटेंसेस दूंगा, तुझे वो मतलब फुलफिल करने, कंप्लीट करने हैं.
ठीक है भाई.
मतलब मैं कुछ भी रैंडम स्टफ बोलूंगा आधा, तुझे वो फिल करना है.
Done.
देखते हैं तू कितना तेज है. ठीक है. I knew I was famous when.
A lot of people came there to take selfies with me.
Where?
In Srinagar.
So you knew it was famous then, huh?
Yeah.
My followers would unfollow me if they knew.
If they knew how I wake up in the morning.
How do you wake up in the morning?
Bro, बहुत हालत खराब होती है.
So why would be they unfollow you?
हालत खराब होती है ना.
I think they will unfollow you if they knew that you didn't like Leh Ladakh. That was really bad, man. Leh Ladakh is like,
That was my personal call, but yeah, again, I showed it to them very beautifully.
the most unnecessary thing I have done for content is
I have got a lot of mics.
nice.
Yeah.
Big armor.
बेकार में मतलब 3-4 माइक्स है ऐसे ही पड़ी हुई.
I act busy, but actually I am.
Free.
You're free?
Yes.
Okay. You act busy, huh?
Yeah.
The weirdest thing I have Googled is
The weirdest thing I have googled is how to increase followers, fake followers. I have done that when I was too young.
किसी भी followers बढ़ा सकता है.
अरे भाई मैं सर्च किया हूँ कुछ नहीं पड़ा.
क्या यार? I open Instagram and immediately I do what?
I check my DMs.
Ah.
Yes.
One trend I did just for reach is
Let me show you the beauty of Kashmir.
that was your trend.
Yeah.
And then everyone followed it, right?
Everyone in Kashmir and even some of the creators from outside Kashmir.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
If Instagram disappears tomorrow, I will.
Start YouTube.
That's
Obviously.
Right. That's right. The most annoying comment I get is,
Please give me your number.
that's annoying.
Yes, bro.
That's cute, bro.
I believe that's annoying.
I posted something and instantly regretted it because
Because it didn't get viral. It was something, जिस पे बहुत hope थी viral जाने की, but हुआ नहीं. I regretted.
one thing creators fake all the time is
Their luxury.
they fake it.
Yes, bro.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Now it's time for slightly spicy conversations,
Okay.
just like my crispy
Sure.
shawarma wrap by KFC. Thank you so much, KFC. I judge people who
Who look at me a lot of times.
or they check you out.
Yes.
You judge those people
Yes, I judge.
who check you
Why?
out.
Yes, exactly. Why are they looking? क्या क्यों?
Kyun? ठीक. One thing I'll never post, no matter what, is
My family.
you'll never post your family.
No.
That's nice. That's nice. If I could delete one post forever, it would be
It would be my, I guess, third last picture. Third last in the sense, not I, posted some days back, but I have posted my third picture. I would delete it because I was too young at that time.
crazy, bro. I feel most like myself
When I'm in the mountains,
oh, nice.
yeah.
Lately, I've been thinking about लिखना ही तोड़ है.
Lately, I have been thinking about that one mistake I have made.
Of your ex
Yes.
cheating on you.
You
Trusting her.
Exactly. I lost my 3 years of my life. So that was the mistake I made.
Something I'm still figuring out is
My life.
you're figuring out your life.
Yes, bro.
Right now, I'm trying to let go of course, that person.
Yes. I guess I have, I have overcome her.
But at the end उसने दर बदर मुसाफिर तो बना ही दिया भाई को मेरे.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, मुसाफिर बना दिया, बट आई एक्सपीरियंस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. हाँ,
कभी उसके घर कभी इसके घर.
कभी उनके दर कभी दर बदर, गम आशिकी तेरा शुक्रिया मैं कहाँ कहाँ से गुजर गया.
वाह वाह वाह. क्या बात. At the end of the day, what actually matters to me is
हैप्पीनेस, मेंटल पीस.
amazing, bro. That's it. That was the end of the Shawarma Challenge segment. Thank you so much, guys. I think this podcast, it was a very personal podcast of mine. Like, he's a good friend of mine, and just talked normal, and just you've got an idea, like what kind of a creator he is and where did he come from. and slight personal conversations as well there for you. This segment of rapid fire and shawarma challenge segment, it was brought to you by KFC crispy shawarma wrap, which is like one of my favorite shawarmas in the world now. Like, it just launched, so go get your shawarma too, and subscribe this channel, watch this podcast, share it with your friends, and see you soon. Take care.
Khuda Hafiz.